Hey, this is Frogman Sports Cards with my second part of my first hobby box break opening, which is the 2018 Top Series 2 Baseball Jumbo Hobby Pack opening. So far, it's a good start to all I got. I will recap everything at the end. Here we go. I have 5 packs left of the 2018 Top Series 2 Jumbo Hobby Box of mine. So, here we go. Let's finish it off. Alright. Aaron Altera. Mike Meyer. Tyler Glasnow. Carpenter. Freeze. No. Shields. This guy. Warren. Let's see. Jose Peraza. Corey Kluber. A Tommy Pham insert card. Nice. Bryant McCann. Gold card. Josh Harrison All-Star insert card. Willie Stargell Long Ball Legends card. Norman Casar Para, I think I said that wrong. Instant Impact card. Insert. Then the whole chunk of base. All this base. Alright, that's all base. Alright. Next pack. By the way, guys, I paid only like $60 for this box. Very good deal. Originally, it was $130. Expensive. Anyways, to me it is. Alright, here we go. Adam Frazier, Dylan Maples rookie. Drew Smiley, this guy. Manny Margot, Kyle Farmer rookie. The guy. Why does that look like another short print? Well, it isn't. Let's take the base real quick. Travis Shaw. Insert card. Dylan Maples rookie. Insert 83 insert card. Roberto Clemente Long Ball Legends. Nice one there. Justin Pedroia Instant Impact card. Chris Taylor. Oh, crap. There's another short print. Oh, my God. I thought you were supposed to be only one short print in the box.
Yeah.
Okay. There's 3 short prints so far. Chris Taylor. Apparently, I got the short print hot box or something. I don't know. Maybe it's like that every box. And that's pretty good. Maybe they mass-produced the short prints in Series 2. I really don't know. If you tell me in the comments below if they mass-produced the short prints in Top Series 2, that would be great. I need to know, so. Alright. Going to the next pack. 3 packs left. Alright. Again, like I said in other videos, it's like, it's turned every which way. Like, all these cards, it, like, pisses me off sometimes, but, like, pisses my dad off sometimes. It's, like, turned every which way. Pisses everybody off sometimes, probably. And I don't know why people do this. and
But
Topps.
but at least there's no Panini points.
Yeah, I hate those Panini points. Topps is a lot better than Panini points, and they should, and Topps should get football back for license and everything. Because right now, football only has Panini and Leaf. The Leaf draft junk. I don't like Leaf draft junk. Okay. We got a Dwight Smith Jr. Gold card. A Richard Iurna. Rookie card 83 insert. Looks like I got a blue. Curtis Granson foil card. Rainbow foil. I had to get this. Now, this guy's been causing trouble a lot. Addison Russell, blue, parallel, 83 All-Star